way, except for my old Alan Sherman record.
If you ain't gonna play me, don't complain when I...
Swanee, you got beer?
The Jews out there still get a laugh off of hello mother, hello father.
You want some? Are we waiting or what?
Jacket? Well, the hell with all of you. I'm going downtown and buying another copy of Servant Bird.
Peter, that's not necessary. I'm sure it'll turn up somewhere.
I wouldn't count on it, Lois.
They don't count on it. They told that record up.